Because all that dirt and trees and mountains and sediment, that glacier stuff, and gets stuck to the edges. That eventually becomes the glacial silt. And in the process, it all gets stuck on the edges, makes it really dirty on the edges. When they came together, both of those edges came together on the glaciers and created that medial moraine that you see going straight up the middle. A trail glacier feeds the Trail Creek and the trail lakes that we saw, over by Moose Pass, and also Trail River.